actually what I want to say. Those first timer here, okay, today is just an eye opener for you guys actually. So as just now, he also mentions, we need to come back more often. Okay, maybe 3 years, 2 years, and then even if you cannot come to like refresh or revisions here, have to go through all those videos. Human is very time to be lazy. You know, sometimes when we are, wow, worthy is okay. It's like, it's okay, we do tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow will never comes, you know. Don't wait until like we are in very deep, very bad illness, then we do something. Yesterday is a way of life, you know. It's not that when I free, then only I do. You really have to put in effort. The more you understand, the more deepens understand the theory, is only benefit yourself. It's about what you want in life. It's that simple. The more you understand, and then the stronger confidence that you believe in this practice. Make this theory as your health theory for your life. That is definitely works. Don't so rely on all the medicines, supplements, blah blah blah, and all those processed things. 9 years ago, I learned yesterday. I still continue learning, even from friends, from video, and I come back from classes, because for me this is the most easiest way, you know, to gain our health. No health, there is no life. Remember that. So here I wish everyone good health and please put in more effort. Okay, I see you on the next class. Thank you.
原始点守护我，不再彷徨。